Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an essential item for anyone looking to elevate their event decor. The Snappin table runner, often regarded as the best logo table runner on the market. If you're planning a wedding, hosting a party, or setting up a vendor booth, this product is about to become your new best friend. This table runner is crafted from 100% polyester, ensuring durability and a sleek appearance. One of the standout features is its thickness, 280 GSM, which not only makes it wrinkle-resistant but also gives it a substantial feel that is lightweight yet sturdy enough to stay in place during your events. Whether you're at a bustling craft fair, a sophisticated wedding, or an intimate birthday celebration, the Snappin table runner serves as a versatile backdrop for all your creative displays. The solid white color provides the perfect blank canvas for your designs. With sublimation printing, you can add bold, vibrant colors that really pop, ensuring your branding stands out. What makes this table runner even more appealing is its ease of use and maintenance. It's machine washable, allowing for simple cleaning after your events. Just toss it in the washing machine on a cold, gentle cycle and tumble dry on low. And if you need to freshen it up, a quick iron on low heat will do the trick. Not only is it perfect for vendor booths and trade shows, but it also enhances your home decor for seasonal celebrations and family gatherings. Imagine setting a beautiful table for the holidays or a casual family dinner. This runner adds a touch of elegance without overpowering your overall theme. Available in several sizes, including 2 feet by 6 feet and 3 feet by 6 feet, you can choose the perfect fit for your needs. The Snappin table runner is not just a product. It's a customizable tool that allows you to express your creativity and make a statement at any event. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality table runner that can enhance your branding and event aesthetics, the Snappin table runner is the ideal choice. Its combination of durability, ease of maintenance, and customization options truly makes it the best logo table runner available today. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, elevate your events with style.